Hello and welcome from the beautiful Allgäu and Ottobrunn near Memmingen. My name is Jochen Weiss. I am head of application engineering at Walter Machines in Tübingen, and this is my colleague Alexander Klaus. Hello and a warm welcome from my side. I am sales manager for Germany, Austria, and the Netherlands, and today we are visiting our customer, the company Alois Berger Präzisiondrehteiler, and taking you behind the scenes. The company Alois Berger Präzisiondrehteiler was founded in 1955 by Mr. Alois Berger, initially with 2 employees. Today we have more than 2,600 employees worldwide. We have branches at several locations in Germany, as well as in Poland, China, Canada, and the USA. Our customers are mainly from the automotive industry, and we manufacture batch sizes of several thousands to 30 million parts per article number per year. Our manufacturing line requires a wide range of tools, including many customized and special tools. With our machinery, we are able to produce almost all of these tools in an extremely short reaction time. The majority of our tools are within the diameter range of 0.8 and 8 millimeters, but we also manufacture very small, high-precision tools, starting with a diameter of 0.2 millimeters, and larger tools up to a diameter of 25 millimeters. We have several Walter machines in service to meet the diverse requirements of our customers. 2 Helitronic Micro, 2 Helitronic Mini Power, and more recently, a Helitronic Mini Plus to expand our capacity. In general, we work a lot with shank steady rests on all our machines, and for small and long tool diameters additionally with a support steady rest. Above all, this increases the precision of the tools and makes the process so reliable that our machines often run in the ghost shift. The new support steady rest can be positioned very precisely, even in the micrometer range. This makes setup much easier. Since the first Walter machine was added to our production line in 1996, I have been impressed by the good cooperation and the excellent service of Walter. In case of mechanical or application-related problems, we always receive swift, competent, and unbureaucratic support. In terms of software, we have also worked out several problems or special solutions together. In the meantime, we have developed a friendly relationship with the application engineers. Thank you very much for the warm welcome in your company. It is always a pleasure to see our machines in use in production. We look forward to further cooperation and wish you ongoing success in tool production with our machines. Thank you very much. See you next time.